I will believe you must have heard about this opportunity from someone and you don't take a step, or you are on this group and you never take a step. I will tell you, you are missing already. Maybe you are expecting a testimonial that will be shared of a friend that you know on this platform. Let me tell you, you are missing, because people that you are waiting for their testimonial, they start one day without anything and they grow to the extent of becoming a champion. If you want to become a champion, you must start. And if you want to be celebrated, somewhere you will start. That is why I want to share with you a video that was recorded at Badagry after a successful offline outreach. People were accepting this business, and I don't want you to be left aside. I don't want you to be left out, and that is the reason why I am coming your way, so that you can be part of this. Be at alert, because the worst scenario that could happen is that a friend that you're supposed to invite will become your inviter. If this could happen, definitely you will know that something has wrong. I don't want you to procrastinate anymore, and that is the reason why you just have to share this idea with me of making money per seconds, making money even while you are sleeping, a passive income for that matter, that will continue generating money for you even to the generation to come, unless there is no telecommunication anymore. And that is the reason why this opportunity is very great and even longer than how you are perceiving it. Be part of this. Let me share the video with you. You will see that the outreach is very great and people were accepting the business. Don't be left out. But before I press the button, I want you to go below this video. If you're ready to start today, just click on a link that is there. You will see how you can get yourself registered, or you can just get directly to me so that I can help you to start today. I am here to help you, and I will help you if you are ready to start. But mind you, don't delay anymore. Your delay to your success. Your delay is really dangerous to become a champion. Your delay is very dangerous to become a winner. That is the reason why I want you to go below this video, click on the link there, and get yourself started. Or before I even share the video with you, if today is the first time you are getting this video, you are getting to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. My success on internet, how I'm earning on internet, I am making money from internet, and how every day I am generating a passive income from opportunity I see around me. Go below this video, click a button there, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that anytime I'm dropping a valuable video, you can be part of it. And at the same time, please help me do something. Try to like this video. And
Hi everyone, we are live in Badagry. We thank God for the success of today's Empowerment Summit. It was successful, massive people joined this business. We opened the eyes of people in Badagry, instant registration. Wow, don't just look at us. The church again is eradicating poverty in the land by leveraging on telecommunication industry. Stop buying that airtime without getting paid. Once a BTO portal, this company has raised over 7,000 millionaires, and in Badagry here, we're going to raise a lot of millionaires. So today we are together with the youth coordinator of National Youth Council of Nigeria. You can imagine, even federal government, they are using our platform to empower people. Sir, what would you like to say about our platform today?
Of course, we are delighted to have the team here in Badagry. Wow. And as the motto of the National Youth Council goes, that build the youth, build the nation. Wow. Yes. I believe that with the empowerment program we have today, we are building the youth. Wow. And directly we are also building the nation. Wow. So we are calling on the youth to also come aboard, shine, get paid, is real. Wow. Also be here to stay in Nigeria. Yes, sir.
As I'm saying, what do you have for our people out there?
Hi everyone. So that you don't be at risk, why have I started earlier, so this is time for you to start and activate your music portal, and you are going to have.
Wow, recharge and get paid. Build the nation. Build the youth.
I'm saying? People are joining massively. They were responding to this great opportunity that is coming up. It might look new to you, but I will tell you this business has been in existence over 5 years now, and it has raised more than 7,000 millionaires like you heard. This is never a joke. You too can become a millionaire through this recharge and get paid. Why not you be part of it today? You can hear one of the words that was said there, so that you can become part of people that will become millionaire through telecommunication. This is your right time. I will join you next time. But before I go, my name is Honfoga Richard aka Olurichard. I am an entrepreneur, infopreneur, digital marketer, and a bona fide licensed in recharge and get paid. Go below this video, subscribe to my channel, click a button there and click the bell there, so that anytime I'm uploading a valuable video, you can be part of me to share with you, and you can get yourself educated. I am here, and I remain your humble person. Mind you, like this video, share it with your friend, be part of this game, a game changer that is going on right now. While I'll see you next time. Cheers.